How to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Fortnite.com and make sure you're in the official website. Then scroll down and click on Download Now. After you've clicked on Download Now at the bottom, it will download. And click on arrow-like option at the top right and click on the installer. In here, click on Install at the bottom. After that, it will take some time to install. After it's installed, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Sign in or sign up to your Epic Games account. After you have done that, you'll find this kind of screen. At the top, click on Search Store. And in there, search for Fortnite and click on Fortnite. After that, on the bottom right, click on Get. And in here, scroll down and click on Accept. After you have accepted, at the bottom right, click on Place Order and make sure you have clicked on Place Order and it will be installed as it is free. After that, in your Epic Games, you'll find Fortnite to play. This is how to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.